Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Editing a QR code after it has been printed depends entirely on the type of code you generated. There are two main types, which are static and dynamic. A static QR code encodes information directly into the pattern of the squares. This means the link is permanent and cannot be changed. If you made a static code, you will have to create a new one. However, a dynamic QR code uses a short redirection URL. This allows you to change the destination at any time without changing the actual image of the code. To edit a dynamic QR code, you must first log into the account where you originally created it. Go to your dashboard and locate the specific QR code you want to modify. Look for an edit button or a pencil icon next to the link. Click that button and enter the new website address or information you want the code to show. Once you save your changes, the QR code will instantly point to the new location. You do not need to reprint your marketing materials or business cards. This saves a lot of money and time for businesses. Always check if your generator offers dynamic features before you start. Most free generators only offer static codes. Paid services usually provide the dynamic option. Make sure to test your QR code after every update to ensure it works correctly. Scanning it with your smartphone camera is the easiest way to verify the link. This simple process keeps your marketing current and effective for your professional brand and business goals.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.